英国伫4月份的时阵通过一个卢安达计划，因按算要甲非法的移民拢送去非洲国家卢安达来安置。不过，即马英国的政党轮替，新的首相史凯尼已经讲明，伊无打算要推动这个计划。伊讲非法移民的问题应该为源头来解决，对非法偷渡、人口买卖是绝对会严格来查办。
英国当地测试14天内头一届政党轮替了后，新首相史凯尔正是近日唐宁街10号用首相的身份任命新的内阁成员，召开头一场内阁会议。嘛，伫头一场首相记者会内底，宣布无要实施今年4月才打通过的卢安达计划。
The Rwanda scheme was dead and buried before it started. It's never been a deterrent. Look at the numbers that have come over in the first 6 and a bit months of this year. They're record numbers. That is the problem that we are inheriting. It has never acted as a deterrent.
卢安达计划是要甲2022年4月以后入境的非法移民送去非洲国家卢安达安置，防止非法移民继续进入英国。这是英国前首相苏纳克不顾人权组织反对甲司法的判决，坚持的驱逐计划。暂时史凯尔无想要执行这个计划，按算由移民甲执法的专家，还有对国内的情报机构、军情局处共同组成一个全新的边境安全司令部，为源头大家安排偷渡的人蛇集团，解决非法移民。
What Keir Starmer is proposing, which is to, tackle the gangs. Well, frankly, the last government were doing that for the last few years. It's not going to work. As soon as we get a calm spell, they'll be crossing the English Channel in their thousands. And let's face it, Keir Starmer does not have a plan to deal with it.
英国新政府的内阁成员除了新的外交大臣达米，到英国的首相头一名女性财政大臣里夫斯，史凯尔不忘甲恢复经济成长当作新政府的优先任务，用行动来争取民众的支持甲信任。国际新闻台上编译。